Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. As I told you last week, I just came back from my holiday in Tuscany. Probably you know it if you follow me on Instagram. And as I told you last week, we will prepare during these 3 weeks recipe from that Italian region because dishes there are really delicious. I got inspired and now I will tell you how to prepare those amazing ketogenic yumminess. So don't miss today's video because we will cook and then we will go to Tuscany together. So watch it till the end. For now, I just want to tell you thank you because many of you subscribe to my channel. I hope you all will do that because you make me really happy and I love all your comments. I promise I will answer everybody. So we will meet here if you subscribe every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with a video ketogenic, with a ketogenic video in English. My English, I'm sorry about that. But every Wednesday with the same video in Spanish if you prefer that language, and every Friday in Italian. So let's see today's recipe and then let's go to Tuscany together. But now to the kitchen. But I didn't have time to prepare these cookies in Bergamo, so let's go to my kitchen in Stockholm and here I will show you the ingredients that you will need. You will need just 2 eggs, 160 grams of almond flour, 50 grams of powdered cacao unsweetened, 100 grams of erythritol or your favorite sweetener, and 100 grams of hazelnuts. And now we only have to mix very well all the ingredients, leaving just 1 egg white for the topping. It's all. I'm preparing these cookies, as I told you, because I've been to Tuscany. There is a region in central Italy. Probably you've seen some picture because it's really beautiful. It's the region where Florence is, where Pisa. Last week I showed you Pisa, and today I will show you also another special place after the recipe. But talking about these cookies, they are called cantucci. And the traditional recipe is without cacao and with almond instead of hazelnuts. I prepared it a few weeks ago, so you can watch it. I will put the link down below, and they are delicious. The traditional cantucci usually are eaten together with wine, but these with cacao are great also with coffee. So I highly recommend these cookies. You can see that they are different. They are brown. The other one are lighter because it's just almond and almond. So you can choose your favorite ones. Maybe you can prepare both and send me the picture on my Instagram account as a private message. I love receiving your picture and knowing if you like my recipes and if you prepare them. But now that everything is mixed, we can shape it on the parchment paper, ready to go into the oven. I will give the traditional shape, but you can choose your favorite one. It's a perfect moment to personalize your cookies. A good idea is also to write some letters and make a present to your loved ones. A very bad idea is to keep your wedding ring on while you're shaping these cookies. So I apologize for that. I had to wash my hands and my rings very well afterwards. So take them out. When the shape is ready, you only have to top it with some egg whites. I will do it with my hands because I don't have a cooking brush, but if you have a cooking brush, it will look better, probably on video. But remind that the hands are always our best tool and we all have them with us all the time. After 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, that is approximately 360 degrees Fahrenheit, you have the cookies ready. But before cutting them, let them cool down very well. So just wait, be patient, and enjoy the smell, because these smell amazing. And here it is. You just have to take out the parchment paper, the extra egg white, and cut the cookies as big as you like. I would like to talk to you a little bit about nuts, because they all contain carbs and they are not the same. I've got this info from Diet Doctor, and he reminds us that Brazilian and pecan has 4% carbs, macadamia 5%, hazelnut, walnut and peanut 7%, pine nuts 9%, almond 10%, pistachios 18% and cashew 27%. So be very careful. This looks amazing and it reminds me of Italian chocolate torrone. Torrone is a classic sweet treat that we usually eat during Christmas season, so it's a good idea to prepare this recipe also during Christmas period. It will be great for everybody, even for people that are not on keto. And now it's time to go for our beautiful walk in Tuscany. I choose this town because it's really amazing. It's called San Gimignano. And I don't know if you recognize me, but the lady with the white hat is me, because it's a very hot day here. It's summertime. I know it's autumn now. Actually, I'm in Stockholm, in Sweden, at home, and it's not holidays anymore. But these videos are also memories for me. So I like to think about the time I spent in Italy. I like to show you my country, and I hope you like it too. So let's go back to San Gimignano. I will tell you something about this lovely town. This place is famous for the unforgettable skyline, because there are about 12 tower houses, and it's also called Town of Fine Towers. You can clearly see it from my video. We spent a very happy day in San Gimignano because all my family was reunited and we were also with some good friends. So that's why I'm so happy, and I have to thank my husband for the beautiful videos he took of me. If you are a big fan of Twilight, or even if you just watch the movie, you will recognize immediately the region where Volturi were living. And it's fantastic because you can feel like a vampire here. Everywhere reminds you of that amazing stories. So let me know if you would like to be in Tuscany, if you've been here, if you like it, and what's your best and favorite place here in Tuscany. You can write it in below in the comments, so maybe next time I will visit it. But going back to food, I also have to tell you that here you will find something really delicious. This town is known for saffron, for ham, and for white wine. If you're tired to see me walking around with a white hat, I totally understand it.
So I have to tell you that you did great. You watched the video till the end because it's finished. So I hope to see you next week, always here, always on Monday at 2 p.m. Italian time.